no. I think I done got myself in some trouble. Come on, feet, don't let me down. Hold it. Let me get out of the wood. Alright, we're looking clear over here. That's not gonna work. Hey, what is up, Slimepack Nation? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another trucking vlog. And in today's video, this right here is, I think this video done been broken up into 3 parts. But we finally get ready to deliver this load that I picked up all the way in Tar Heel, North Carolina. And we finally made our way over here to Iowa to get ready to deliver this load. I gave the details of this load in the video before last. Now, my videos, they aren't made to teach anybody anything. It's just showing y'all my experience. But I'm pretty sure a lot of other drivers can relate to whatever I go through in my videos, especially new drivers. I try to make my videos to connect more with the new drivers and not the super drivers. So like in this video, y'all gonna see me second guessing myself a lot, questioning this, going with my instinct, all of that. Every trucker is gonna go through this, no matter how much you trip plan, no matter how detailed you trip plan. And also, y'all probably gonna see me get into a situation. But what happens as a trucker, if you get into that situation, you can get up out of it. So yeah, make sure y'all like this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and enjoy the video. So I'm like 3 miles away from my delivery location, and I had plans on making this on a whole separate video, but your girl, I woke up late. I'm talking about late, but I'm still early for my appointment. It is currently 7:40 a.m. Appointment not until 9 a.m. So we still good on that, but I had wanted to get up way earlier because there was some other things that I wanted to record in order for me to make this a separate video with a good amount of time on it. So I didn't have time to do that. I read in the comments of this place, they said it's pretty tight and you gotta go through like the employee parking lot in order to get to the docks. So we'll see what we got to face once we get over there. We'll worry about that when we get over there. I hope I can make this right turn up here. I remember coming through here before. I don't know about what in the world. I don't know about this turn. I think I got it. Bro, is this a school zone?
In 300 feet, turn left onto 1st Avenue Southeast.
Ain't no way I'm making no left turn right there.
Now turn left.
No way. What is going on? Truck route straight ahead. Thank you for the sign. Recalculate me.
In 900 feet, turn left onto 4th Avenue Southeast.
Oh, this is a busy area. There's a school zone. There's no way I'm signs. Come on, car, come on. I got this, girl.
1.5 miles, turn left.
You ain't even got to move. I got this. He said blow the horn. I had to. He gave me a thumbs up. Dang, we down here by another school. Passing by a high school now. Is this 12th Street? Yeah, okay.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto 12th Street Northeast.
What? Wait, what? Is this it? Step. Oh, no, 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 no. Not school.
Now turn left.
What?
Now turn left.
So basically,
3/4 of a mile, turn left.
in order to get here, instead of following the GPS, just follow the truck route signs. Because the GPS trying to have me to turn into the school, then they try to have me to turn down a residential road.
In half a mile, you will reach your destination. The destination will be on your right.
Supposed to be somewhere on my right. I know they said look for Smithfield sign. Wait a minute, wait a
Reach
minute.
your destination. The destination will be on your right.
Is this what I think it is? Nah, this ain't it. Yeah, this ain't it. Dang, look at them dogs. I'm gonna let y'all go ahead while I figure this out. Do I turn in this way? Oh no.
You have reached the destination, Golden Crisp Premium Foods.
Shipping
Destination is
right
on your
here.
right. Route recalculation. In a
They
quarter of a mile,
shipping.
turn right onto North Main Avenue.
Where should I park at? Alright, so I just called security. And he's saying, yeah, you go through the parking lot and you just gonna go straight back. He said it sounds worse than it looks. But you got plenty of room. They love saying you got plenty of room. What I'm about to do is I might get out and go ahead and slide my tandems. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Slide these tandems real quick. get through that. Anyway, we going in.
Perfect.
He said go all the way to the back. I'll see something. Oh, okay. I see. I came through the wrong area. Dang. Okay, so I was supposed to come through right there at the sign. Dang. I can't back into there. Is there a way I can loop around? Oh no. I think I done got myself in some trouble. Yep, y'all. Oh my goodness. Now I got to get up out of here. I got space to get up out of here. Come on, Pete, don't let me down. Hold it. Oh, man. Now I gotta get up out of here. That's not gonna work. So we basically got a blind side back into that dog. Can get up out of here. I'll be back. He was parked right here whenever I first came through. Hey, you check in right here? Thank you. It smells like bacon out here. Alright, so they said stay where I'm at. They gonna unload him, and then when he get done, I can get where he at. Oh, they got loaded trailers. Y'all, I don't know how this finna go, but let's see. I see a box truck coming behind me. Where did he go? Somebody back there walking now. See more people walking. Let me get up here, Lord. Get out of here. Alright, we looking clear over here. I don't know where the trailer going, but I know it's turning. Need to get out the way, and then I can see what else I gotta adjust. Hold on, did your girl just get it there in one shot? We gonna say I did. I'm in the lines. I'm in the lines. We did that, y'all. Just a little bit of patience. We did it. Sorry about the blinkers.
there you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
It only took them maybe a good 30 minutes. Let's go close these doors. I know for sure I gotta get a trailer washout. It's one like 20 miles, 75 south. And it's a Love's near. Oh no, I might can make this a whole separate video. I try to keep my videos at like between 25 to 35 minutes. Not too long, not too short. So we'll see. I'll see y'all at either the truck wash or truck stop. So I just got over here.
You have reached the destination Blue Diamond Tank and Truck Wash. The destination is on your left.
Reefer washout. I'm thinking it's like a little big circle like the Blue Beacon. Cause I see a truck coming out on the end. They need more signs out. Let me know what to do. Okay, I see some bays. It's a Walmart right there. You can do me a quick Walmart run. It's already a trailer inside that bay. Look like the same trailer that was over there whenever I got unloaded. We just gonna park. Well, they done with him. Let's see if we can make this turn good. Oh yeah, we getting it through there. We in Windy City. They washed this trailer out quicker than I could pay for it. I gotta hurry up and park so I can finish editing. I'll take it. The Love's is like 2 miles down the road. And y'all know that's why I'm gonna shut it down there anyways. Still no pre-plan. So as y'all can see, I am parked. Y'all hear that? Here they go with these emergency alarms. I think they doing a little drill. I remember my first time I heard that. We don't have these alarms where I'm from, but anyway, y'all, I am parked. I do have a pre-plan, and we'll talk about that in the next video. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.